What's up, guys? On today, for the birthday edition, your girl is going to straighten her hair. I haven't straightened my hair in 6 years. So stay tuned if you want to see these results. If you want to see this transformation, stay tuned because we get into it right now. So apparently my hair is still damped up at the top and over here on the side. So I do not believe I'm gonna be able to use this until my hair is actually dry. So I'm using the Miropure Ionic hair brush straightener. I got this off of Amazon and I think it was about less than $60. It should come with a few things. I'm like, is that all fitting in here? Yep, it did. So warranty. And then they give you a manual covering, which I do love. It's like suede. Then it has a 360 cord that swivels all around, so it's easier for use. And then this is what our brush is looking like. And it has multiple settings. I cannot wait to use this thing. And then it also comes with a glove so that your hand isn't burning up. So yeah, I'm going to blow dry this out so that it's not still damped, which I don't have to do much. It's not that wet, but it's wet enough. So I'm gonna blow dry this out and then we'll get started. Okay guys, so my hair is pretty much dry now. I didn't dry it bare bone, but no need to do all that. But it's pretty much dry for the most part, so it's now ready to start being straightened. So I am going to start that process. Okay guys, so this is how your girl is about to leave out because I don't have time to flat iron or to straighten it right now. So when we come back from getting our massage, then we are going to make the magic happen. So I'm gonna see y'all in the car in just a moment. All right. Okay guys, so we have made it to the massage place and this is what my room is looking like. So it was a very comfortable feel when I got in here. I loved the vibe. I felt so relaxed. And of course, this is me on the bed. I felt so relaxed on this bed, and the bed was heated, which I really love. So I really recommend this place. What's up, y'all? We are in the car, and your girl just got done getting her sweetest massage. And let me tell you, it was everything. My muscles are like super relaxed. So we are going home now so that I can show y'all this transformation. So see y'all at the house. All right, family, your girl has made it back to the house and y'all, I feel elated. I feel so relaxed. I feel like I'm a little sleepy though. I'm not gonna lie to you. From that massage, man, it felt so good. I'm so glad that I got that in. And I will be back. And they gave me a birthday gift, y'all. They gave me a birthday gift. I appreciate it. Like, I appreciate it. I did not expect anything, but I appreciate everything. So, back to these curls, though. Back to these curls. So, can y'all believe this definition, though? And y'all know I didn't do anything to my hair. Y'all know I didn't. All I did was add my leave-in conditioner and my bandings. These. And sis, bruh, y'all see it. Y'all see it. But y'all know, the higher you go, the less definition is there. Because, child, when we get up here, there ain't a lick of no curl. It's a 4C all day, y'all. But that's okay, though, because it's still pretty now. Okay? Nobody can tell us nothing. So let's get into this hair straightening. All right, let me get back on point, y'all. All right, guys, I'm back. I don't think I'm going to continue to use this agave and lavender. I just feel like it's not giving my hair the protection that it needs. And I feel like I'm just losing too much hair. And I'm very sensitive about my hair. This is how much hair I've lost already. And I'm not even halfway through my head yet. So I feel like that's just too much. So straighten your hair at your own risk. Now, I do recommend the Silk Elements heating protectant spray because I've used this in the past and it has protected my hair from heat or from heat damage. So I do recommend that. Also, make sure before you start the straightening process that you make sure that section is properly detangled, because if you do not, you're going to have a hard time getting that section straightened with the heat, and you're going to cause yourself to be in that section too long, and that can cause heat damage. Okay, so now I'm taking the straightening heating brush and I'm basically going across my roots in the top section multiple times just to make sure that that section is nicely straightened before I go all the way down to the ends, because the ends are going to be thinner than the roots. So you want to make sure that you get the roots and the, top part of your hair first before you get down to the bottom. Okay, curl friends, so now I am going to speed up the video so the video is not entirely too long. And yeah, that was a little back shot. I wanted to show y'all what I was working with. So yeah, I'm going to continue to section my hair off and, brush it out. Make sure that it's fully detangled before I put that heat brush through it, because that's going to do nothing but damage my hair. So just make sure that you are detangling your hair really good. And then I'm going to brush it out with the heat brush. Now, I will say the heat brush did not silk out the hair, didn't silk out my hair like I intended it to. I guess it was just this brand. It did straighten it, but it didn't give it like that silky straightened look like I've seen some brushes give people. So, but I did get to see my length. I was happy with my length, but we just have to continue to retain our length. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Okay guys, so unfortunately my phone started to die, so I didn't get to finish recording as much as I would have wanted to. So please forgive me. However, this is what it looks like after getting through all of my hair. However, I'm going to go through it one more time just to see if I can get it a little bit more silkier. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after straightening it with the heat brush. I will say it's not like a silky finish with this brush, at least for me. It's more like a blowout, a good blowout is more of like it is. But I do like that I now know like where my length is pretty much. It's right there. So yeah. So make sure you guys let me know what you think down below. Your girl's about to get dressed and get ready for this photo shoot, y'all. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about today's video, what y'all think about that brush. Was it worth the buy or no? Waste my money or no? Did I waste my money or no? That's how much hair I lost. And I feel like that's just too much hair to be losing with this thing. So yeah, I won't be straightening my hair for a very long time, my friends. But yeah, that is all. Make sure y'all let me know down below what y'all think about this little blowout / straighten. I guess this is how it's going to look in the photo shoot, because I am not about to keep trying to straighten my hair because it's just going to damage it. Heat on heat on heat. So yeah, I'm done. This is how it's going to look. And yeah, that's all I can do. But I appreciate each and every one of you watching today and being here with me today. I hope you enjoy our little ride through town and just a little bit of a vlog type of vibe. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to continue to do that, and we can get that added. But yeah, I'm Titled Natural, your favorite natural hair coach and natural hair enthusiast. And if you guys need anything, all my information is down in the description box. And if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and that bell icon so you won't miss any more of these bomb videos, okay? Because as you see, your girl can grow hair. So let me grow yours. All right? I'm out of here. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace. What's up, y'all? Titled Natural here. And are you tired of not having the hair results that you deserve? Well, if so, your girl has created the perfect coaching program called Caring for Your Mane. And in this program, it will consist of a 24/7 hair community. You'll also get daily hair accountability. You'll also get 1 weekly affirmation, 1 weekly hair tip, and 1 weekly hair recipe. And you'll also have 2 one-hour group coaching calls a month. And to top it all off, I'll be throwing in my Textured Hair 101 ebook so that you have a manual guide with you at all times, wherever you are. And all of this will be valued at $89 a month. But guess what? For my founding members only, and I have 10 slots, you can get this for $79 a month, and it won't ever go up. So if you are ready to take your hair journey to the next level in 2022, click the link below and let's go. All right?